Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I'm here on LinkedIn spotlighting some of my contacts and celebrating how people are using their voices in the world. And today I want to spotlight Bryan Huizenga with PRG Insurance out of California. He's with Talent Acquisition, Account Manager, and Recruiter are his titles. Now, I met Bryan not in person, but through email and phone in my basically past life career as a workers' compensation insurance claims professional. And I doubt that many people who need to file an insurance claim really think about what's going on in the life of the person on the other end of the phone and maybe how stressful that kind of job might be. Well, having been in that industry for around 13 years, I can say that it's not a very easy job. And so what Bryan does is he's the person who helps the insurance companies find the people to fill those positions. Now, I don't imagine that Bryan's job is necessarily all that easy either, but he seems to do it so well. He's professional, he's kind, he's friendly, very much a real person on the other end of the phone. In fact, I think if I had stayed in that industry, I would like to have Bryan been the guy that found me that next new job. So if you are in the insurance industry, make sure and check out Bryan Huizenga with PRG Insurance. And again, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. And if you'd like your free 30-minute consultation to find out more about your authentic voice and how it works, you can find me right here on LinkedIn or at laurahandke.com.